Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech 100 guys. So guys, in today's video we want to look at how to make inverter. As you can see, this is our MOSFET, transformer, voltage multiplier and our battery guys. So follow up and see how we build this guys. So this is the positive input, and this two wire came from the drain, from the driver, drain, and we connected it like this guys. So let's proceed. This is the wire that came from the positive. This is the positive for the transformer. So we are adding a switch, as you can see. So we are putting the positive wire of the battery connected to the switch. So we added a switch to the positive, as you can see. The middle here is the positive, and here is our negative of the driver and negative for the battery. We are going to connect it together now. So as you can see guys, and this is our switch. I've turned it off. So this is our switch, and here is the output for the AC. So guys, this is a voltage multiplier. As you can see, this is a voltage multiplier. We add a diode to it. This is it guys. So as you can see, so this voltage multiplier will multiply the output voltage of this transformer times 2 for us. So let's try it guys. Multiplier. As you can see, this is our battery, 3.7 volt battery in series, and we have 6 volts guys. This is our switch and the driver. The resistor came from the gate to drain, then gate to drain. Then we connected our wire from the drain like this guys, as you can see, and this is the positive that came directly from the switch and to the battery. So this is the output guys. So let's test it. Guys, we want to test it now. As you can see, I've off it, so let me on it guys. As you can see, our project is working. Very bright. As you can see, it is sparking. So it's working, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, let's give it a try. As you can see, it's working, guys. Our multiplier is working, very heat. So as you can see, so guys, let's try it with a CFL bulb. This is 220 volts, 50 hours, 80 watts. So let's try it, guys. As you can see. So guys, we want to give it a try. Let's see how this inverter will power this thing. So let me on it. As you can see, guys, it is working. So please subscribe to my channel, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. So this is our project, guys. It is working. 6 volts. This is our driver, the transformer, and the voltage booster. So thank you. So guys, as you can see, we wanted to test our inverter with this power supply. As you can see, this is AC input. This is input voltage 220 volts plus, and this is output, which is 5 volts, and here is the DC motor, guys. So the rest wire here is for the higher voltage, but this motor is 5 volts, guys, so I'm using only 5 volts output. As you can see, this is a power supply, and here is our inverter. So let's test it, guys. So as you can see, guys, as you can see, so guys, our inverter is working massively and very powerful, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. So let's try it again, guys.